Do you ever notice that no one actually pays attention to car alarms anymore? I mean, when you hear a car alarm, the first thing you think is not, oh my god, someone is stealing someone's car. It's, will someone please go shut off that car alarm? Meanwhile, someone could be completely just driving away with your car and you will be none the wiser. Well, you know what? I'm not standing for it anymore. I am here to propose some more effective car alarms. Here we go. Woo. What?
Whoa, look at that disguise. Way to look inconspicuous.
You know what? It's my first time stealing a car.
Why don't you just go home and go punch yourself in the nuts? God knows we wouldn't want you procreating.
You know what? Look at damn clowns. You know...
Christopher Michael, what are you doing?
Mom?
What did I tell you about stealing cars?
Mom!
Go to your room, you're grounded!
Fine.
She's a human! Leave her alone! Oh. Oh, yeah.
What the hell?
What are you doing? Are you trying to throw your life away?
Well, I mean, I just really need a car.
For the life of me, I cannot figure out what you were thinking.
Oh, just let me out of the car.
Self-destruct in 3,
What?
2, 1.
No! Meanwhile, someone could completely be walking away at that moment in time with someone else's car, and you are none the wiser. Well, you know what? I'm tired of it, and I am going to propose some more effective car alarms. Here we go.
Awesome, but you don't walk away with a car, you drive one away.
See, this is what happened. What?
Whoa, look at that disguise. Way to look inconspicuous. Ah, fuck. Do it again.
You know what? Deliver your lines correctly.
I'm just a car!
Oh wait, I'm supposed to say what the hell.
Yeah, look at the lock.
Why don't you learn your own freaking lines?